Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Tamiani, and yeah, this is a little bit unexpected, but yeah, this is how I look like. You might be wondering why I'm doing a real life video. Well, let me just cut to the chase. Today, I'm gonna be doing a challenge for myself, and essentially what I'm gonna be doing is learning how to do a flare in 30 days, or in a month, basically. If you don't know what a flare is, it's just a breakdance move. But yeah, as a kid, I was just really into dancing. I also learned like some breakdance moves as well, like the coffee grinder. But like a little 2-year-old knows how to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can do a flare, and if I can honestly do that, I'd just be ecstatic, because that'd be really cool to do. So yeah, let's try to do a flare, guys. Let's try to do a flare. All right, so I moved down to my basement to try and do this, and there's not a lot of room, to be honest. Yeah, this is kind of all the space I'm working with. There's a mirror though. What's up, guys? All right, so I'm gonna honestly just practice the fundamentals today, probably, because I've actually, like, last year around this time, I've actually tried to practice the flare, and so I kind of do have a head start on it, but then I stopped because other got in the way. But yeah, some of the stuff that I'll probably show me practicing is stuff that I saw off of a video, which I'll probably leave a link in the description if you guys want to see it. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. Let's do this flare. This is gonna be painful from what I remember, but let's just do it. All right, so this first thing that this guy does in this video is that he does a pose like this, which I'm honestly out of frame. But yeah, and with that, what I guess that pose is supposed to do is help you like get your kicks up high for his flare. So yeah, we're gonna do a few reps of that, and then probably get into this. Alright, that is honestly enough of that for now. Now, I'm gonna try to practice some of this groundwork, which is gonna look kind of silly at first, but I promise it makes sense. It all makes sense later. Alright, well, firstly, I'm gonna try to explain what I'm gonna do here. So, I'm honestly just practicing this first part where you kind of just go through the motions on the ground, where you open into the flare, and then you bring it back on the other side. Alright, so let's try to get in a few reps of this and see how it goes. Alright, so how I'm gonna practice this is probably go from some top rock, which I'm absolutely garbage at, and then swing right into the flare. Alright, let's get it. I'm taking a bit of a break here. Yeah, this is exhausting. It's like kind of expected it to be. Yeah, no, how do motherfuckers do this, bro? How do you literally do this? Bro, breakdancers, they be even doing more than that. They be going from flares to air flares, spinning on their goddamn heads. How do you even have the neck support for that? It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It's absolutely bonkers. I also didn't even bring any water. I'm literally trying to kill myself here. But no, it's all good, bro. It's all cool. Breakdancing is super epic fun. But yup, we are you busting this our setup. Yeah. Look at this tripod. This thing cost me like $10 at Walmart, and it's kind of spooky. Okay. I said like 15 more. I honestly forgot how many I did. Let's do like a solid 5, or actually let's do like a solid 10. I'll try to actually keep count this time, but yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. All right, that's it. That's day 1, guys. That's day 1. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. That's day 1. I'll catch you guys on day 2, because this is absolute pain. Alright, yo, what's up, guys? Day 2 of me trying to learn a flare in 30 days. My muscles are sore. My muscles are hella sore. which I was kind of expecting. And I'm also kind of tired because I decided to work out my legs as well. Yeah, we getting big. All right, I don't think you guys really care, but yeah, also decided to work out my legs like the same day because why the not? You know how it is. You know what we're doing out here. We're trying to learn the flare, guys. All right, let's get it. Ooh, okay. Alright, we moved outside. It's actually kind of pretty nice. Probably should have been doing it out here like since yesterday, but let's give it a few more tries here. And honestly, I think I'm also done today because the only way that I think I'm gonna be able to do this is just to build some strength from it. So let's get it. Alright, welcome back to day 4 today, actually, of me trying to learn a flare in 30 days. I say day 4 because yesterday, technically day 3, I already took a break. I started this on September 4th. I think today's the 7th, so then that kind of begs the question for me if I'm gonna make up the days I take a break on. I don't know, we'll see. Basically, the deadline for me, or what's going to be considered a month of me trying to do this, is going to be October 4th. But yeah, today's day 4, and look at this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, we're leveling up. We got water now. Got some water out here, so I can actually replenish myself and not not be completely dead. But yeah, basically I'm gonna just get into the routine now and stretch, kind of get the fundamentals and just get right into this because yeah, we're gonna try to make this happen. Alright, welcome back to day 8 of me trying to learn a flare in 30 days. Today I'm outside for once. Today I am outside and I'm not sure if I kind of show the backyard space I have here, but definitely a whole lot more room to do this. You know, I'd be a little bit more confident, you know, going into the flare, not worry about my feet blasting right into a wall or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see if this grass kind of helps with me. It's obviously still some friction and whatnot, so I'm not sure how well it'll honestly turn out, but we'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot. So yeah, not really much more to say, but let's just get into this. Okay, yeah, there's just a random dog now in my backyard just chilling, and I thought, I don't know, I thought I'd just bring it up. Yeah, this isn't our dog. It's my brother's friend's dog, just kind of chilling out here. What are you doing? What is that dog doing? Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Yeah, she's just hanging out here. My brother's friends called her Yen, but apparently we just named her something else. So yeah, she's chilling. Okay, I kind of set the video for a second and just ended up playing with this dog, bro. You can have the ball right there. All right, this thing's about to get absolutely launched. All right, here we go. All right, get this, bro. Okay, she didn't even move. God damn it. What's wrong, bro? Go get the ball. Go get the ball, bro. Yeah, she tired. Cheeto, what is that dog doing? Oh, now she gets it. Great. This is content, guys. Y'all want breakdancing? No, no. This is what you get now. You get that dog. Yeah, yeah. All right. Let's get back to the video. Alright, yo, welcome back to day 10 of me trying to learn the flare in 30 days. There's been a few things going on kind of in the behind the scenes. Basically, let me explain, because a lot of things kind of happened even though it seems like it didn't. So firstly, some of the previous days may seem a little bit shorter on the edit because my phone started to run out of recording space. So finally put in a SD card to give it a little bit more room, so should be set on that. Also yesterday, day 9 technically, I took like another break or whatever. Well, let me show you basically why I took that break. I finally made this. Yeah, I said, you know what, the carpet, because that it hurts my feet, and finally got a large enough cardboard here and kind of decked it out. Uh, that like the cardboard like came like a box form, so yeah, I just had to cut it up, stitch it together like so, and yeah, look at this. It looks pretty huge on camera as well. Like, this is a lot of space to work with, so I'm actually really happy that I got this now. So obviously the whole purpose behind this is now my feet. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Now my feet could slide a whole lot easier. The duct tape should not be that much of an issue when I sweep my legs behind, but yeah, look at that. Finally have like a proper dance floor, I guess you could say. So it may seem that I'm a little bit out of breath, and I am, because I did that star exercise thing, but now I'm basically ready to go. So yeah, honestly, let's get into this flare. I'm kind of excited to do it now. Yo, what's up, guys? It's been a minute. Yeah, you guys probably wouldn't really tell, but I took, I think, like a 4-day break. Um, yeah, a bit longer than expected. Yeah, I don't really know why I took a 4-day break, but I was kind of expecting to maybe, give myself like 2 days max a rest, but yeah, happens. Today then will be day 18, so now we're over that halfway mark, 15 days. And yeah, we keep on going, we keep on grinding. Yeah, enough talking. I already did my warm-ups and whatnot, so yeah, let's get right into the flare. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the final day. The final day, we've made it. Today is October 4th, and that finally marks 1 month me trying to do the flare, get one goddamn rotation, because that's literally all I want. I just want to get this one rotation, and then I'll be happy. But yeah, yesterday I took a break, but that's not important because today's the last day. Today's basically when I'm probably gonna take a break from this for a bit. But yeah, oh yeah. And as I said, promise to finally get some music. So there we go. Honestly, let's just get right into this. See if I can finally do or get one rotation. And yeah, it's hopefully this video is gonna be entertaining for you guys. It's been definitely fun for me, and well, it probably won't look like or I might not show throughout, you know, this entire video that I am having fun, because most of the time it's probably just me looking exhausted. But no, it's been pretty fun trying to do this, something new, and who knows, I might give the windmill a try. But till now, let's get this, let's get this flare, let's do it finally. I just looked at my recording time. I've been going for an hour here, so yeah, I think I'm gonna finally end it right there. Close it off. Going for an hour is a good way to end off, I guess, this challenge for myself for the past month. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video once it's all put together. Once again, I've definitely had fun doing it, and in terms of if I think I actually got, I'd say I pretty much got it to the extent that it's like a rounded flare, you know. So yeah, I mean, you probably expect me to be a whole lot more gassed, but it's kind of late right now and a little bit tired. But for, I guess, joining me on this little journey that I've been doing. And yeah, till next time, guys, I'll see you. Oh! So close. That was a rotation.
Yeah?
It wasn't the cleanest.